Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Multichain. This month, Multichain has given us two very nice trading opportunities that I've shared with my members. And this was the trade signal that I shared almost 24 hours ago. And before that, I shared another trade signal that was on 3rd of November, almost a week ago, that I shared with my members. And in today's video, I would like to show you these both trade signals with you. And I would also like to show you this analysis of multi-chain. You can see on the daily time frame chart for the past several days since after April 2023, for several months, you can see it is not able to break out this long-term downtrend line resistance, and now it is getting squeezed between this support and this downtrend line resistance. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for multi-chain that I shared almost 24 hours ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversus cipher pattern that multi-chain was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart. You can see it was about to enter the buying zone. And by the way, this idea I shared on a 4-hour time frame chart, and this move was formed with Bitcoin pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then dropped more down and completed the leg here. And you can see after that it is geared up and read the sell targets on here. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal setup that was a bullish AB equal to CD pattern that was formed on the 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And I shared this idea on 3rd of November, almost a week ago with my members. And you can see after the completion of this final leg, it was slightly moved up. And therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line for to drop more down once again inside the buying zone after some correction. And then we can buy it from this buying zone. And then we can expect the next reversal from here. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then dropped more down once again. We entered the buying zone here and here as well. And then we had a very nice reversal. And so far, it has pumped more than 15%. In fact, more than 20%, not 15%. And this previous idea produced more than 15%. That I shared, by the way, in the month of April 2023, a few months back. And this was formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. After playing this chart, you can see that it started another very nice reversal, and this was almost 15% pump. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of multi-chain. And you can see that since after 18th of April, it is not able to break out this long-term downtrend line resistance. You can see we got stable ejections here and stable ejections here as well. And now you can see that it is getting squeezed between this support that we have here, quite long-term support, by the way, at $1.20. And you can see for the past several days, it is breaking as a nice support. And this resistance, this downtrend line resistance as well. Once it will be able to break out this downtrend line resistance, then an imminent move can be possible up to the next resistance here at $2.25. You can see that for the past several days, price line is not able to break out this $2.25 resistance. And after that, the next resistance will be here at $3.11. You can see previously it was breaking as a support here, and now it can work as a resistance for the price line. And I'm expecting that after breaking out this long-term resistance, it can move back here at the highest price of the April 2023 that we had here, approximately at $12.30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.